This video will help you understand the geolocate function in MobileAccess. Having a BaseManager map with all your zones and devices located makes it easier and more convenient to manage the site. A different video shows you how to set up a map by manually placing pins, but you may find that geolocating devices is faster and easier for you. One of the first things you'll need to do is allow your phone and your web browser to access your location. The process for iOS looks like this. Open Settings and then Privacy Settings. Find the browser that you're using for App Manager, in this case I'm using Firefox, and adjust the privacy settings to allow locations. The settings for Android devices will be similar. Now that I've got location permissions, log into App Manager and select MobileAccess. We have the option of geolocating any device that has a unique baseline serial number. This includes zones, flow meters, pressure sensors, or even custom markers. Right now we're going to start with zones. I'll start with locating zone 5. I usually give it a moment or two for the GPS to pick up the location. You'll see now that the accuracy is 19 feet. Now it's time to walk over to the valve box where zone 5 is located. As soon as I press mark, a few things happen. The latitude and longitude coordinates show up briefly on the MobileAccess screen, and at the same time, pin number 5 shows up the BaseManager map. Now I can walk to zone 6 and use the arrows to advance from 5 to 6. Press mark and then zone 6 appears in the BaseManager map. If you find that your GPS reception isn't accurate enough to mark valve boxes, here's another strategy. I'm going to walk and mark the general area that zone 10 irrigates, but not the valve box. Now I'll walk to the general area irrigated by zone 11 and mark that, and the same for zone 12. This method is even quicker than the first since you don't pinpoint the valve box. The next time I check my BaseManager map, it's easy to adjust the location of the pins. Make sure you're in edit mode, click on the icon, then drag it to the appropriate location. With this method, you can adjust the location as you like. Using the geolocate function allows you to quickly create a map for your site, which makes it easier for you to manage your irrigation system.